With these three lead generation methods, you can generate thousands of qualified B2B leads no matter your niche or location without using any paid tools. In this video, I'll cover all three methods you'll need, not a single tool subscription. So this is the recent lead list we worked on using these three same methods, and let's get started how you can do the same for your leads. So the first method is very low effort and very easy to use. I'll show you how you can do the same. So first you have to go on Google and search for Google Maps data scraper. You'll get few websites here. Click on the first one, map scraper and map data extractor. Just add it to your Chrome. It is free to use. You don't have to give your credit card or anything. Don't sign up here, no need. And thereafter in this, go and pin it so that you can use it instantly. Click on this button. It will load a Bing map. Thereafter you have to go, let's say I want to find, let's say, gym in California. I'll search for it. I've got all the gyms in California. Now what you have to do is just click on this button, start extraction. It will load all the businesses, all the gyms you can reach out to in that area. Now once it is loaded, just for the demo, it has taken out 17. Now I'll export it to CSV. You have now the data. Now what you have to do is just check out their emails. You have their emails right here, person associated with this, you can see. You get the idea how to get it from here. You get their socials if you are a social media manager. So this will be very helpful for you. You can visit their social media also. So this is the first method, very easy to use, very convenient and free to use. So I'll move to the second method. The second method is through LinkedIn. Now you'd say that LinkedIn needs sales navigator or anything. I'll show you the method you can get the data of high intent leads who are ready to buy from you just from simple filters. So let's log into LinkedIn here, log into your LinkedIn account, and just head over to job section. From there, what you have to do, let's say you can first enter the location here, whatever location you are targeting. Let's say I want to target in United States. So first I'll enter the United States here. So thereafter, let's say I want to reach out to let's say the person they are hiring for. Let's say whatever your role is, if you are a social media manager, let's say I do lead generation, so I'll search for people who are hiring for business development executives, right? So I'll search for let's say business development representatives. I'll search for business development representative. Now what you have to do is just click on this all filter button. From here, just apply the filter past 24 hours. These are the people who have posted just recently, so they are looking for you. From here, now go to if the company is associated, so you can apply for part-time. You'll get the data of the person. So I'd suggest not to narrow down so much. First thing you want to do, you want to enter your industry. Let's say I serve for software development industry, so I'll choose that. And sales people or business development, so job functions are sales and business development. I'll mark those. So title, I'll select for business development representative, business development associate, and sales development representative. So these are the people these are the job roles people have posted, and I can reach out to them, right? So see, I'm getting 27 results within they have posted within last 24 hours, and they are hungry for they are looking for the people. So from here you get the company's name. Okay, so what you have to do is just visit their LinkedIn profile, install the free Chrome extension of Apollo. You'll get 50 leads from there. Apollo gives you 50 leads. So you can just so you can see After clicking here, I'll get the people's name who are I can reach out to through emails, right? So from there you get the idea how to make that list, right? So visit one by one and get the email list. See, the VP of global business development, so these are the people I can reach out to. Or if you are a student, so you can reach out to the HRs also. So from here you can build a good list and reach directly to the people who are associated with that job posting, or for your service interest. So let's say if usually what I go for, I go for sales people, let's say sales leaders, VP of sales. So you can target the people who are associated with your job criteria. Person email from here. This is free to use. You have multiple accounts, right? And you can build 100 or thousands of lists from here for free. So this is pretty much. The third method is a kept secret. I haven't shared it with anyone, but why not help everyone out there. So this is a website that gives you 50 leads using AI, right? Means your list will be so hyper targeted and signal based. Just go on Google and search for websites XAI. Now here you can build, you can get the 50 leads for free per month. You know what to do. Means you have multiple Gmail accounts or multiple email accounts, so you can get, again you can build thousands of leads from here for free. Click on try websites. Okay, thereafter it will take you to a login page. Just log in with your details or create a new account. You can describe anything, target audience here. Let's say first select the people, because you want the people's list, not the company's list. I want to find let's say engineers who are in Seattle, who have recently become the founders, so they would be looking for my services, right? So for that I have already applied the filter here. You can just write it down there, and you can add the enrichments, what type of enrichment you want. Let's say I want their text sense and their emails, so that I can get the exact data. There you have it, so many leads just on a single click. So go try it out. I'll add the link in the description too. Let me know if this helped you. Give a thumbs up. This will help me a lot to know if you liked my videos or not. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel. I post about lead generation and cold email. So see you in the next video.